Good evening, Dr. Siddharth, Dr. Abhishankar.
Good evening, Himanshu.
So basically, why we have scheduled today's session is to finalize. Like last session, we could not had present from everyone, and so like still few people have identified their projects and the group partner. So let's freeze their topic and groups. Okay. So how will you start? What I suggest, who is ready, they can come forward. I mean, last time I think Abhinav Naveen is there right now. Abhinav Naveen. Yeah, Abhinav Naveen is not there. Okay. So Abhinash Kumar. So let's see. Let's see. I mean, let me call first name and then you can start. Let others join. So uh, Bhargava, this Male Bhargava, Bhargav, you are ready, right now? Correct.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's discuss your project topic, and you are doing along with.
Abhinav and Pawan.
Yeah, you are doing. So where is Abhinav right now? He's not there. Huh?
Abhinav joined the class, sir, but I don't know why he is not responding.
Okay. No problem. So you can present and so we I mean along with me, Dr. Abhishankar is there, Dr. Sikdar is there. So we'll guide you on this. Huh?
Okay. Sir, I guess it's visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. Slide share. Good evening, everyone. Myself Bhargav Male, and I have selected the topic as usage of autonomous quadcopter and increasing the agriculture productivity with the help of drones. For example, with the help of quadcopter, we can get the data such as raster data. With the help of Python, we can calculate the NDVI calculations. With the NDVI, we can find out the productivity or the yield, or we can also say whether the crop is healthy or not. First of all, my stages of developing the quadcopter. Actually, I've developed last year this one. This was the manual quadcopter which I developed first, and later on this was the autonomous quadcopter which has a Pixoc inserted in this, which can be go through a range of around 2 kilometers through a distance. It's a total capacity of like 10 minutes flight time, and total payload is of around mm, it can be
Sir,
up to 4 kg of payload.
actually my mic was not working, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Then I disconnected the call and then I again connected it.
Hmm.
Okay, Bhargav, continue.
Yeah. With the help of the data which we generated from the autonomous quad, this is the autonomous quadcopter which can be controlled with the help of Mission Planner. Mission Planner is the software which we can give the coding. Like for example, if we plan a mission like go and cover this area and collect the data and give me, it will give the total data for me.
What kind of data?
For example, sir, Mission Planner is like it's a total data, like for example, if I need a raster data, it will be giving raster data. For example, I have used in surveillances, like surveillances, we can get aerial views or images or ortho photographic images, everything. Introduction is that, hello?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Yeah. First of all, we'll be calculating normal difference vegetative index. It is called NDVI. NDVI is nothing but how healthy is the crop, or we can say like it is calculated with the help of infrared, near infrared minus visible length by. Okay, I will be showing the calculation at the last slide, in the later slides. It is just a normal difference vegetative index. We will be calculating with the help of raster data developed by the drones by using Python. I have been using drones because drones is a latest technology, as well as we'll be getting precision agriculture, as well as we can also get the data of around 10 acres of data within a 15 minutes or 20 minutes of time. We Our aim is to estimate the growing crop health and stress by acquisition of data using drone with modified airborne cameras and sensors. Typical application in agriculture, for example, we can also see the crop or tree scouting, for example, where the required pesticides is required, or where the crop is getting died, or for example, health or growth assessment, yield estimation, soil condition assessment. And we can also, like futuristic, it is called robotics harvesting. For example, if you see the image, like watermark of the image, it's called drone pesticiding.
So there
for
are
example,
there are many applications. Which one you are actually focusing basically? Which?
Yeah, mainly I have focused in many. Actually, sir, I have been working in like I have been working in this from last 1 year. So I thought it will be also useful for my future. But mainly in this course, I am only focusing on NDVI calculation, because only NDVI calculation uses Python. The other things is like it's like firmware and other sensors. It's totally.
So where is machine learning component in your project?
Sir, coming to machine learning, it's totally like I have been using autonomous things like machine plan, like a Pixar bird and a Raspberry Pi system, where we will be using Python coded something and autonomous things, not a machine learning I have been using actually.
Yeah, so this project is all about machine learning. So whatever we are you are doing it in class or going through that algorithm, you have to implement some of this, or it may be some other also if you wish. So that is
I'll be focusing on that, sir. Yeah,
so
I'll be try to
Python is
implement
a
in
tool
something.
actually. So Python is a tool. I understand actually the things which you are doing is it requires some sorts of Python programming to do so. But what we want it
Yeah.
here, the way you are discussing that something yield prediction or something related to agriculture. So what we thought is you are going to have some sorts of model which takes some plant data, some plant characteristic and predict yield. Actually, what will be the yield? And so
Yeah.
that's why we thought something related to this will come.
Okay, like okay, sir. I'll also think about like how we can also add machine learning in this.
Yeah, any component of machine learning should be added. Correct.
Yeah, it has to some component
Yeah.
of machine learning will be good actually. So idea is as follow actually. Whatever you are learning actually, if you do something your own, you define your problem actually. You find out which problem and you are going to solve and related data. So you know actually thinking will improve actually. And then once you do it,
Yeah.
that will be good actually.
Even sir, like coding of like NDVI calculation, it requires a more what we say raster data calculations and GDVI. Oh, those are something different which I am facing new. It's like new calculations for me related to somewhat machine learning itself, and I am been focusing on Raspberry Pi, where we can implement a machine learning in that, because Raspberry Pi is like a processor.
That is correct. Actually, we know. So what we want it here. So you are saying that you are going to implement some machine learning something on Raspberry Pi. So machine learning component we are just looking for.
Okay.
So agriculture.
Okay.
Anyway, you are saying that this thing related with agriculture. So you are trying to predict the yield of plant. Correct. Plant yield.
Yes, sir.
So why not you
Yeah.
focus on that?
I'm focusing on that itself, sir. The procedure is totally on that itself.
Okay. So what sorts of data you are looking actually? What I understand is you can get image of your plant, and from image you can extract the features and
From the
process it and use it in your machine learning model.
yeah.
So it's something related to image processing, and then so what is your plan actually? Are you going to collect data, or you have data already and you are going to use that data? So what
Sir,
Are you going to do any image analysis and then
I'll
apply
be collecting the data and doing the analysis on the data.
then you are going to apply Python?
Huh? Hello?
Yeah, I'm asking, are you going to do this image analysis and then okay, then you apply your Python for that?
Yes, sir. Even I have collected a few of the data with me.
That will be good actually. We are not covering this image processing here in this course, but if you are willing to do, we are happy to see this.
Okay, thank you,
But
sir.
but something it has to be related with machine learning. Some machine learning components should be there in project. You are free to choose anything actually.
Okay, sure, sir. I'll definitely.
Yeah.
Elaborate that one, how you are going to do.
Okay, I will. Okay, sir. I'll be working on that, and I'll be sharing you later.
Because if you do not elaborate, at least I do not understand what way it's going. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
So,
Thank you.
so I think that's a useful suggestion. Correct. So you can work on that. And shall we take another topic, Abhishankar? The next one. Anything else you want to discuss here, Bhargav?
No, sir. Let me focus on that, and I'll be talking with the sir later.
Great, great, great. Yeah. So who is next? Please come forward. So how, like, what will be the contribution of other two group members, Naveen and the Pawan? Like how how you have decided?
नींबू भी लेना है, गोपाल जी को बोलना पड़ेगा, अभी एलखी ना लगा.
Sir, actually, I'll be collecting the data, and they will be helping coding, or they'll be also extracting the data, which I'll be sharing with them.
Okay.
You
So
should also inform later on in the next presentation what would be the role of each person. Otherwise, it will be one-sided that you are only showing everything. Okay.
so your voice is not actually clear. I think you are. No, I think your voice is not coming, sir.
Oh, my voice is not coming.
Now it's coming. Now it's coming. Perfect.
Okay, my as I said at the very beginning earlier also that okay, there should be the distribution of the work component of each member should be actually clarified. Okay, so what they are doing. Okay, so that should be also during the presentation. That should also come. Okay, that should be also shown. Okay. Otherwise, maybe it will be all the time. At least I will feel that only one person is doing the job.
Hmm. Correct, sir. So I think the message is clear to everyone. So now let's take other group. So do we have Abhinash here? Abhinash Kumar? Please come forward who want to discuss your like who have your topic ready. So Sai Krishna.
Yes, sir. Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Good
you
evening,
want
sir.
to discuss here?
Actually, I'm searching for the project, sir. That's all.
Yeah.
Is any one group is empty? I will go and please join with them, and I'll do the project with them.
Mhm. So if anyone is still, if some group is still searching one member, then the Sai Krishna is available. He could not find his partner so far. Okay, so then, so I think Yash Khandelwal has joined, and now I think he has left. So who else is there? Who want to discuss that topic? Keshav Gupta.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, we have not yet clarified our roles in the project, and my team has already presented their project in last review, during last
Actually,
review.
you
So
you
give us
you
some time.
you
I
mean correct, correct. Who else are there in your team?
Yeah, Rajnikant sir and
Acha,
Abhishek.
acha,
Yeah.
Abhishek. Okay, Abhishek. Okay, okay, okay. You are the third member. Hmm. So you have already, I think your project was discussed last time.
Yes, sir.
Nand Kishore, Nand, Nand Kumar, Nand Kumar.
Hello.
Yes, Nand.
Yes,
Bhargava,
sir.
you can
Sir,
stop presenting.
hello.
Yeah, Nand, please.
Sir, actually, I have discussed with my when I had a discussion with my manager of my
Ah,
company. He told that we will finalize the project tomorrow morning.
ah.
So I will present tomorrow if possible.
Tomorrow we are not going to have this session, na? Okay, you
Yes,
can,
sir.
but you
Actually,
can brief us about you can brief us about your topic, what you have discussed with your manager. Last time I think we had some discussion over the
yes, yes,
phone.
yes. That
Right?
only I had discussed that only from my manager, and
Ah,
he agreed to do that project, but uh, he has to finalize with his means the plant head. That's
yeah, yeah.
why
Correct.
we had a problem.
So I request you to share the actually the the
Idea,
initial
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah
Idea.
idea here. You can actually, if you don't have presentation, that's okay. You can share your idea, and we
Yes,
can take comments from Dr. Abhishankar and Dr. Singh.
yes, sir. Actually, what is the thing in our company that I work in a KSB Limited? It is a foundry division of KSB pumps, and here what we do is after the MRP material requirement in planning and then production planning and control, it comes to the pouring department, means where the casting is actually made. So they don't have any systematic order, means whatever the casting they get, they don't know how to, means they have not actually prepared which heat to take first and which heat to take second and all that thing. Means totally we have 9 heat a day, where depends on the furnace capacity. So which casting to take the priority and which casting we can hold and take on another day. We have to plan accordingly. For that, means the capacity of furnace is 500 kgs, 1 ton, 2 ton. So which casting to take first, which casting to take on the other day. They don't have any systematic plan. Whatever the mold is prepared, they start doing casting of that. So I'm discussing with my manager to make a systematic plan where we can means whatever the plan is made a day prior to the casting, and then the workers should know which casting they have to do tomorrow, and accordingly they will do the other final processes.
So it's like a production planning problem.
Yes, it is a production planning and control problem.
Abhishankar, any comment from you?
So I am just thinking, where is machine learning component here again?
So actually, see, we have to prepare a total of 18 heat a day. Okay, first shift 9 heat and second shift 9 heat. So which heat we have to take, means which grade of steel we have to take for the first heat, which grade of steel we have to take for second heat, which grade of steel we have to take for third heat. Accordingly, 9 heat we have to plan. So we have to predict a day prior which casting we are going to do tomorrow. Accordingly, means first heat which casting will be there, second heat which casting will be there, third heat which casting will be there. Every day
So
we
how?
get all.
So whether it is going to help to improve quality of your casting, that sequencing, what you are talking, which casting has to go first, which casting has to go second,
Yes,
is
sir,
it going to help you?
because there is a chance. Actually, there is a different grades of steel that we do casting here. So actually, what is the problem that if we do the plain carbon steel, okay, WCB. So after that, we can't take some stainless steel grades. Okay. So if we take the some stainless steel grade, then the composition may change and the quality degradation is there. So we have to plan accordingly in such a manner that the grade should be in a means order. Means it should not some of the grades are very critical. If their composition changes, the quality changes of the casting, and then they go to rejection. So in order to control that rejection, we have to plan prior that which casting should be taken first, which casting should be taken second, because after WCB we can't take some duplex and super duplex stainless steel casting. And the plan comes in such a manner that they only give us this casting we have to produce this grade, and the molder, those who make the mold, they don't means do any in a systematic order. They whatever they grade they get, they start making mold, and for the melting the pouring section, whichever the mold is prepared, they start pouring in that. Means accordingly they take the heat, whatever the casting is available, mold is prepared. Accordingly, that grade only they ask the melters to melt that grade, and then they do the melting. And for that, because of that, most of the casting get rejected because of the chemical means composition changes.
So here you know exactly how to make casting actually. Then what you are going to, you know the sequencing also. So what you are going to do now? You know sequencing actually. You know which casting has to go first, which casting has to go second.
But
Then
sir,
what you are going to do here?
the order doesn't come now. Like, see, we have a 500 kg furnace, or let us take an example of 500 kg furnace. Okay. So the sometimes some grade of steel comes only 200 kg, other grade comes 500 kg, other grade comes 1000 kg, other grade comes 100 kg. Different quantities come. So which but we have to take 9 heat anyhow. Okay. And so we have to plan that this 200 kg we can't do this grade today, but in future, because the production planning and control team, they give us the chart of which grade we have to produce day prior. So sometimes we get 200 kg casting, sometimes we get 300 kg casting of different grades. So which grade once that grade reaches the furnace capacity, then only we can plan for that casting. Okay. So some of the grades, it takes almost 5 to 6 days. After that, we do that casting pouring because the quantity is not enough.
So is there any like problem? I think, I mean, you can improve the productivity by somehow.
Yes, productivity can be improved if if we know that the grade, this is a 500 kg casting. Okay, some duplex stainless steel. So that casting need to be given priority because that is a urgent and a critical part. So on which day that casting should be done, that is important because it is very critical, and if some changes in chemical composition, then we have to reject the whole casting.
See, once you have clarity on this stuff, once you'll have like what sort of data you are going to use, and like if it's going to be an optimization problem or simple production planning problem, once you have clarity on that, then
Yes,
I
sir.
think
That we will have a clarity tomorrow because tomorrow I have my job, so I'll have a clarity with my manager, and then I'll discuss with you all.
And Nand, I think you should present this thing whole problem in a systematic manner. Basically, similar
Yes,
to this, there is also scheduling problem in rolling. You know, there is in hot rolling. Okay, I mean during a schedule, the roles are changed and all these things. They also give some kind of a coffin shaped schedule. Okay, just
yes,
like okay, what kind of material, whether the hard material will be rolled later or so, and soft material to be okay. Similar to that scheduling problem, you have to present your problem. Okay, you have to arrange this thing and present properly. I guess then
yes, sir.
only it will be
Tomorrow
more
I'll do that.
clear where your basically machine learning is fitting in. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So, uh, similar to this kind of problem also are faced also in steel plant also. Okay,
yes,
either
sir.
in rolling or heat problem. That's what you are saying. Okay, but you have to. I think it's not yet clear. That's what it is becoming.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'll take a clarity with my manager tomorrow.
Okay, okay, that will be only give the idea to the committee. Okay.
And then I'll make a presentation of all the details project, and then I'll present you all.
Yeah. So I think we can. Shall we, sir? Shall we take the next, sir? So we have Kunal Kumar. Kunal. Kunal. So Kunal Kumar.
Hello.
Kunal. Yeah, please.
Sir, my presentation is with Nikhil sir, Nikhil Suneja sir. He will present.
Okay. So where is he?
Sir, he told that he will present.
Achha, so Kunal, you and who else are there in your group?
Yes, sir. He is in this project. He is leading the project. I and Suneja sir is there.
I mean, you, Nikhil Suneja, and who else is there? You two, one. Anyone else is there in your team?
Anyone? Third one is I not decided, but I think Amitesh will be there.
Amitesh will be there, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So, like, what is your topic?
Quran means Quran based nodex and that is like that.
I think I have discussed this with Nikhil actually. Correct.
Yes,
we
sir.
had some discussion on this, and he has sent some presentation also, but I was expecting him to present here also. No problem. So, anyone else? I don't see. Who else is there? So please come forward. I see there are many people whose project topic is not finalized and they are still not here. I don't see Amitesh here. Amitesh. So I don't see Yash Khandelwal. He has also not finalized his topic. Mr. V. Pratap Singh. V. Pratap Singh. He has also not finalized. Utkarsh. Utkarsh is not here. Suraj Kumar. He is also not here. These guys have not finalized their project topic, and they are not actually not coming. Also, I am actually worried about them. So Siddharth Vikram. Has he finalized the group? Siddharth Vikram. He's there, right? In this. So Puneet is doing, I think, correct? Na? Puneet, you are doing with Puneet. Puneet is there. Puneet is also not there. Mr. Prem Prakash Singh. So they have not finalized their topic actually, and they are not here. Palli Deepak. So I don't know. People are not here, and so how are we? Like I mean, what I'm thinking, what we'll do, we'll schedule, we'll fix up a day next week, maybe by next weekend. That is on 10th. By 10th, everyone need to submit their a project topic in the form of PPT. In the form of PPT mean only 3-4 slide PPT is needed, where you need to just mention the title, basically scope, and what are the objectives. Hello? Yeah, sorry, my internet got disconnected in between. So yeah, so this is what I was saying. So what we'll do, we'll decide a date, that is the 10th. 10th is Saturday, है So by 10th, everyone need to submit their project topic. Okay, in the form of a presentation. I will share an instruction. What are all slides needs to be there. Only for 3-4 slides is needed. That is for the reference that you guys have decided your group. You guys have started working on your project. So after that, we'll have only project progress related presentations. Okay, we'll not have this introductory presentation. So this was the last class I wanted to schedule for introductory presentation, but still there are many people who have not decided their project and they are not in this meeting. If your friends are there, you can communicate this message to them also. So are there anyone from the past who has presented last time also, they want to discuss anything in this platform today? Otherwise, we need to end this session because I don't see anyone is coming forward. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So anyone is there who want to discuss something?
No, sir. We have started to collect data.
Yeah.
So once we reach to the stage when we start building the model,
okay,
I think we would have something for discussion.
So Abhishankar, any suggestion for them? Because I see many people are not there who has decided and they have decided their topic also.
No, I think they have to come up with topic. Already we have given 2 sessions.
Correct, 2 sessions, and actually we have delayed it. Last I wanted to have this Wednesday, but by Wednesday also I could not get any presentation from people, and I have asked them, and I have shared one Excel sheet also, one feedback form where everyone need to fill their details, like their group name and things. That also people have not filled. So because project topic you need to finalize, you need to work on that, so it will take time. So, Sikdar sir.
Yes, from my side, the feedback is the same that once the finalization is done, it's better. For the people who have already done the finalization, we want to that what are the next steps that they are
Sir, we
taking.
cannot hear you, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can.
Okay, okay. Sooner the finalization of the project is done, okay, it's better. So whoever is left with, they should be given the deadline that they have to finish the finalization, okay. And there are some people who are already a little bit advanced, maybe they are advanced with the finalization. So what are the steps that they are doing, or whatever the work they are doing in the meantime, that they should present in the next presentation letter. Okay, and also the clarification about the division of the work. If there is a teamwork of 3 people, they say who is doing what, and every time there should be rotation. It's not that the same person would be presenting all the time. Okay.
Correct.
Okay,
So
that's it.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Abhishankar. Let's end this session. So okay, bye. Good night, guys.